Legends of Learning presents the Cut the Rope, Crunch the Numbers game. This is a math game that makes learning about fluently adding and subtracting using the standard algorithm fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, join Omnom from Cut the Rope to solve fun addition and subtraction puzzles. Cut ropes, collect numbers with the candy, and feed Omnom the right answers, step by step and at your own pace. The game consists of 8 levels with 4-digit addition and subtraction problems. Cut ropes, collect the numbers with the right candy, and deliver the answer to Omnom. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.